Step 2. I want my curve generator to be dynamic. I want it to interact with the environment. Therefore, I need to know what the environment is. That happens over here, in the green box. In Unity there is an editor for the curve generator. In here the designer can put in all the major elements of the environment. For example, he wants the first part to be a fridge, second part to be a fridge, and for the rest they're going to be floors. This is all very possible. So, if you want to see how it looks like, you can look over here and you see the first two parts are fridges and the rest is all floors. Well, this information I'm going to use. I wanted 3 different kinds of support structures. So, we're going to take a look at the support structures I've made. Over here you can see 3 different kinds. Here is the sideway support structure. This is connected sideways towards the fridges or countertops, whatever you like. Then there is the vertical support structure. This only happens when the curve is close to the major element, so like the fridge, and it's on top of it. And there is the last support structure, and that goes through the back. You can see it over here. There are no major elements close, no fridges, no countertops, so the curve will be connected to the wall at the back. So let's get back to the environment information. So to get the information I want, I needed to extrude the major elements. So here you can see only the major elements and the view you will have in game. And over here you can see all the major elements extruded. So they have 2 different kinds of extrusion. They have a sideways extrusion and they have a top extrusion. This is to get all the points which are close to the top of the major elements and to get all of the points which are close to the side of a major element. To get all the points I will need. First I select only the top extrusion and I group according to it. So right now all the points who are within these boxes are grouped. The first thing I do is delete everything that's not in the group. So right after that I do some calculations, some notes, and I have all the points I need for my support structure. Right after I group them, I delete the part I didn't need it, but I also use the different parts, so all of the points which are not going to be support structures which are vertical. So all these points are also going to be grouped, and they are going to be grouped the same way I did with the top extrusion. So here you have the side extrusion, and I use this to group all of the remaining points, and I delete everything I am not needing anymore. So here you see all the points I'm going to need for the sideways support structure. Let's see, we have now a remaining group. This is the remaining group of all the points which are going to be connected to a support structure that's going to the wall. Okay, that was step 2. Now let's get back to the actual mesh generation of the curve itself. Okay,